Like a GIS system, PPS includes shape, but unlike the GIS shapes, PPS retains the accurate boundary information instead of a polygon, making it usable for legal and financial calculations as well as determining environmental impacts. We gave you a taste of shapes while entering initial site data and creating the centerline alignments. I've closed the ends of the pavement and will now assign a shape to the street by color, as all of the entities that are displayed are red. I'll press by color, enter the name pave. I already have a shape fill called pavement. Hit submit and snap to any of the red lines. And you can see we have 81,778.91 square feet of pavement. At this point, I'll show you how to create a fill from scratch. I'll go into Edit, go into Fill Options, and you'll see a Fill menu. It has names, whether it's pervious or impervious, whether the fill is active, and there's a number assigned to it. I could create a fill by hitting the right button on the mouse, or in this case, I'm simply going to go into changing LWN, in this case to office. By changing the name, press return, and it changes the name, and I'll hit done. I'm going to create an office in the right corner here for this closed block. So I'll say by name, and that will seek the smallest shape possible, OFFICE, and then when I snap to that area, it matches that shape color or texture. The information compiled for shapes simply tracks what has already been computed. Thus, it doesn't add to memory by creating a polygon, making it more efficient than a GIS or CAD system. Shapes can be snapped to by pressing report, and then by snap, and then it could also show you clearly the area of the office. The next step I'm going to do is to create a pond, and to do this, I'll zoom up on the upper right corner, escape, zoom, topography, show the contour lines, and now I have some guidance as to where my pond will be. I've got the water edge active. I set that previously. I will go into geometry, make line, and in this case I'm going to make just trace an area for a pond using the topo as a guide, and then close it. Go into shapes, by color, I'll call it pond A. I already have a fill called pond, and then it fills it in color. Shapes are a foundation for automation and to track the ED, which is the environmental density, which also can be thought of as the economic density. This allows you to track efficiency. The more efficient the plan is, the more sustainable it is.